Good day, traders. This is Rich with BinaryOptionsU.com coming live with a look at Redwood Binary Options, a fairly new trading platform that is taking over quickly. They are one of the best right now. They offer plenty of binary trading to U.S. traders and traders from all over the world. Pretty simple platform to get started. And what we're going to do today is kind of go over what you can do, the simplicity of it, and how you can get started. So let's get busy. So today is Thursday, September 5th, 2013. You can see they have a continuous clock letting you know when the next expiry is coming up. We are not logged in on our account, so this is just a basic look. If you were to use the link below to go over to Redwood, you can see exactly what we're seeing right now. And this, I'm just going to break down everything that I look at on a daily basis when I'm using a broker. So if you were to fill out an account, all you would have to do is fill out this information here, fill in your number and your email, and hit open an account, and it'll take you to the next step, which is most likely a deposit method or maybe a callback if you're interested in talking to a support representative. And that's one thing I want to go over right away, is that the customer service at Redwood Binary is pretty awesome. They get back to you really quick. They answer the phone and they respond to emails. So if you can get all that in play, then your money is safer that way. These days, there's questionable. People will ask a lot of questions about safety of their money with a binary broker, but that's okay. That's fair enough. And at this point, these websites and companies want to stay in business, and the only way they're going to stay in business is if they stay legit. So they're not going to try to steal your money. They're going to hold your money while you're trading, and in the end, hopefully you can make some more good trades and obviously make some withdrawals. So let's go over the platform. That's what this is about, and not so much in the strategy that we teach at Binary Options U, but the platform itself. So let's just go through the basics. And as you can see at the top, you got the open account, the banking, the asset index, and the expired rates and all this other information. What they are known for is the Euro USD payout of 81%. Pretty solid payout. 15-minute expiries. You can get in, look, like it says, a 9-minute, 32 seconds left to get in. You can hit up, down. You can enter the value. You can do several things. You can select a different asset. I believe the USD chef, let me see if this is going to happen or not. Maybe not this time. Let's scroll down, see if I can get a different one. Like the NASDAQ pays 70%, but that's not as open during the days like you would see the Euro USD. You have plenty of assets to choose from. You have the commodities, which are gold, silver, oil, sugar, currencies, Euro USD, pound, dollar, USD yen, USD chef, indices like we said, the NASDAQ, the FTSE, the Dow futures, and all that. And let's not forget about the stocks. Plenty of stocks to choose from, and obviously Apple is one of the biggest ones that we look at Binary Options U. But you have Disney, Google, Citigroup, Amazon, Facebook, all kinds of stock assets. So if you scroll through here, you can just see all the assets that you can trade. And remember, sometimes markets aren't open in certain countries. For example, if you're trading at night, the U.S. markets aren't going to be open, but the Japanese markets might be open. You can trade those particular assets as well as all the currency pairs that are available. So I'm going to scroll back up here, and as you can see, once you log in, you have access to several different things. So you have access to the option builder, which allows you to create your own trading. So let's say you want to take the USD yen, you could set it for the hour you want to trade, the minute, the amount you want to invest, and so on. So there's plenty of options when it comes to the option builder. We don't use it too often, but if you have a particular trade that you want to jump on, it's great to use it then. The 60-second option is definitely one of the most highly touted services that these brokers are offering right now. And what it allows you to do is allows you to take a trade in 60 seconds. So it allows you to take up to $500 on a 60-second trade with only a 70% return. So be careful with these 60-second options. They're really fast. You really need a good setup, and you really need a good strategy to take these particular trades. The open platform, probably the most common way we look at the markets. The reason why is because it gives you everything in front of you, and you can rule out all the other stuff that you might see on the other on the full platform. This allows you just to see the chart, the tick chart, your call, your put, your price, and your apply to enter the trade, and the expiry time left. We like to use our MetaTrader charts for our charting, but obviously you need a platform to enter these trades, and we do use the Option Pro when entering trades at Redwood or companies like TradeRush. They call them open platform at Redwood versus Option Pro at TradeRush, but it's the same thing as each other. So you do have access to education on this website. You do have access to videos, courses, ebook. You can always download the ebook if you're new. You obviously can check out binaryoptionsu.com for more information if you're new, or if you're a seasoned trader, you can always learn about Forex as well. Always keep in mind of the Forex market when trading. That's one of the better assets to trade in binary. But you know, there's a lot available when making trades. So just use your best judgment. Figure out which method you want to trade. Figure out which asset you want to trade, your time frame, and everything else for that matter. So ideally, you get set up at multiple brokers to get the best payouts across the board. So if you have 3 or 4 brokers in play, that gives you, maybe you want to trade gold at one that pays 80%, but gold doesn't pay as much at another. So you play the gold at one site. If you like Apple stock, or you like, the FTSE, you could trade that somewhere else and allow you to get the best payout across the board. Either way, spread your money out. You don't have to go too heavy with your deposit to get started. Redwood Options can get you started at $200. Pretty simple deposit and withdrawal process, which makes it kind of nice. And once you're all set up, you'll be set to go. So this pretty much covers all the big information you need about Redwood binary options. You get a deposit bonus, you get good customer service, and you can get started relatively quick. So if you're interested in starting with Redwood, you can use the link below this video and get over to their website and start trading. It's one of the up-and-coming platforms that we recommend, and they do accept U.S. traders, just so you know. And if you have any questions about them, you can leave a comment below or reach us on the website binaryoptionsu.com. So for now, we're going to close up this video, and hopefully you enjoyed this review, and we look forward to seeing you on the other side. Have a great day.